Hello viewers, in this video we are going to be reviewing 3 apps that gets you started in forex trading. If you like this kind of content and would like to watch more of these videos, please subscribe. Now the first app we are reviewing is MetaTrader 5. MetaTrader 5 is available on Play Store and is also for iPhone users. The use of this app is for trading. Yes, this is the platform, the place where traders actually place their trades, make profit and close their trade. This is not the platform where you withdraw your money, but this is the place where trading actually takes place. As you can see, this platform can help you trade different currencies, Bitcoin and gold. Yes, it gives you access to these markets and you can trade. The platform also has a basic charting system where you can place your trade, set your stop loss and take your profit. As you can see, this is the place that you check your active trades. You can check your balance here, so whatever trade is active you will see it here. On this part called history, this is where you see the result of your trade that you've made today, you've made that day. If you make profit, you see it. If you make loss, you see it. The next app we are reviewing is called Just Market. This is the broker that I use to deposit. It has a minimum deposit of $10, as you can see. When you deposit money here, you connect it to the first app, MetaTrader 5, and you can begin to trade. This broker has access to 250 markets, currency pairs and cryptocurrencies in which you can trade. It also has in-app interface. In case you want to use the app to trade directly, you can also do it right in the app. The app is an award-winning app. It is a company that has been in existence for some time now, and it has won multiple awards, as you can see. This app also gives you a demo account that you can use to test if you can trade or not. I have posted my link at the end of this video. You can click the link, register and get bonus. The last app is called TradingView. As you can see, it has a motto of look first then leap. What this app actually does is that it gives you a clear picture of the market. It has good charts and good tools that you can use to analyze and check the market before you use MetaTrader 5 to trade the market. So as you can see, it has good charts, top quality charts. It has a wide range of tools and it can also provide you with news. Yes, there's news inside the app that you can read, news that can affect the market. It also has ideas. You can see ideas. People have posted ideas about how the market will go, if it will go up or if it will go down. Yes, these are opinions of people. So now these are the 3 apps: TradingView, MetaTrader 5, and the last app being the Just Market app, which is the broker. These 3 apps combined together can help you to successfully trade the market and make money. I will make specific videos on these apps so that you can know how to use this app properly and access its features. Thank you for watching.